Faith, a reading from the Daily Word. My desire for something greater is fueled by my faith in unlimited possibilities. New Thought pioneer Emilie Cady once wrote, "Desire is in the heart, is always God tapping at the door of your consciousness with infinite supply, a supply which is forever useless unless there is a demand for it. When I desire to reach a goal, I do so with faith that divine life is tapping at the door of my consciousness, urging me onward and upward to my highest good. I release my worries or concerns. Instead, I celebrate the feeling of certainty that comes with the knowledge that all I could ever need for life, I already have as a whole, spiritual being. I follow where divine inspiration leads. My desire for something greater is fueled by my faith in unlimited possibilities." And here's a short bit from Pass It On, a book written by our guest speaker, Gloria Burgess. Ernie was the first person in his family to go to high school. There he met Millie, a bright girl with a loving smile who didn't make fun of his ideas. They spent hours talking, laughing, and sharing their dreams. As time passed, they fell deeply in love and decided to marry. When the young couple had their first child, a precious little girl, they named her Doris Ann. Before long, they were blessed with two more beautiful little girls, Annie Ruth and Gloria Jean Burgess.